Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn something on typography. Do you know what is typography? Now typography is the study of alphabets which we widely use in text matter both in website and in the print media. Now in today's class we are going to look at what is type anatomy and the measurement, how type is measured and how it is classified. Let us look at what is type anatomy. Just like our body, the type is also called learning the parts of a type or the text matter is called anatomy. Now, if you look at this picture, you have various, highlighted parts which actually talks of various parts. For example, you have the X height, you have the E which has an arm, and you have an ascender and so on and so forth. But for the first class, we're not going too much into details of this. This is just for an example to show you how various parts can actually mean a lot in type. Now, if you look at this anatomy of a letter, you have the X height. The X height is the height of a lowercase letter with no ascenders or descenders. Now, it's an important component in the typography because in a given font size. Now, what is a font size? Suppose you take 9 points of Times Roman and 9 points of Arial. In the X height of Arial is larger and the X height of Times Roman is smaller, and this actually enhances in the way the type looks like. Now here you can pause the video and answer the following question. What is an X height? What is it important in design? Okay, I'm sure you have done the X height. What is the X height? So as I told you all, in a given font size, the X height looks larger in Arial, which is called a sans serif, and not so much bigger in the Times New Roman, which is called a serif. Now why it's so important is it for a given font size. Let's say suppose you want to give 10 font size for a children's writing. If you use Arial, it will look larger and therefore it looks really big, although the font size is same. Thank you very much.